Most Windows users waste time doing things the hard way. But these 5 keyboard shortcuts can save you time every day. And the best part is they are already built into Windows. Let's start with the first one. The first shortcut is Clipboard History. This lets you save multiple copied items instead of just one. Press Windows plus V. If Clipboard History is disabled, click Turn On. Now copy some text. Then copy another piece of text. Press Windows plus V again. You'll see everything you've copied in one place. Click any item to paste it instantly. This is useful for documents, emails, and schoolwork. Next is the Snipping Tool. This is one of the fastest ways to take a screenshot. Press Windows plus Shift plus S. Now drag over the area you want to capture. The screenshot is copied automatically. Open a document. Then press Ctrl plus V to paste it. This is much faster than taking a full screenshot and cropping it later. The next shortcut is one I use every day. It's called Multiple Desktops. This lets you create separate desktops for different tasks. Press Windows plus Ctrl plus D. Windows creates a new desktop instantly. Open an app on this desktop. Now press Windows plus Ctrl plus left arrow. This switches to your previous desktop. Press Windows plus Ctrl plus right arrow. This switches back to the new desktop. This is great for keeping work and personal tasks separate. Most Windows users don't know this next feature exists. It's called the Emoji Panel. Press Windows plus period. The Emoji Panel opens instantly. Click any emoji to insert it. You can also use symbols and special characters here. It's much faster than searching for them online. And finally, this shortcut can save you a lot of clicks every day. It's called Quick Settings. Press Windows plus A. Quick Settings opens instantly. From here, you can control Wi-Fi. You can control Bluetooth. You can adjust volume. And you can change screen brightness. Everything is available in one place. Those are 5 keyboard shortcuts every Windows user should know. Which shortcut was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching.